Friday the 7th of August, just over 1 year since Greater Anglia's new Class 755 regional trains entered operation. I find myself at Marks Tey, the beginning of the Gainsborough line, where Draavo and I will be catching one today. The bi-mode multiple unit trains entered service on the 29th of July last year, and were constructed by Stadler as a part of the FLIRT train set. 14 3-car and 24 4-car sets were built between 2018 and 2020 for Greater Anglia to replace the aging Class 37 short sets, Class 153 and 156 Super Sprinters, as well as the Class 170 Turbostars. You'll be able to find them operating on all of Greater Anglia's regional routes, as well as the Gainsborough line to Sudbury, as it is not electrified. The 7553 we got on was too long for platform 3 at Marks Tey, so we had to walk through the train's power pack, also known as the gubbins room, to reach the front of the train. By moving the engines from below the train, Stadler have achieved a much smoother and quieter riding experience. They have also been able to make both the 755 and 745 some of the most accessible trains in the UK, with a low floor and ramps meaning that everyone can board the train with little or no assistance. This results in the seats above the train's bogies being raised, but this isn't an issue whatsoever. The air conditioning throughout the train was also greatly appreciated, and the Wi-Fi connection speeds were more than enough to read a few articles on my phone. There were also plenty of USB and full-size sockets on the train too, and there's lots of space under and above the seats for any bags you may have with you. Another thing to take a look at would be the improved and now digital passenger information systems. While not only providing your standard stopping information, they also detail carriage crowdedness and toilet availability. You'll be able to see additional information and announcements displayed from time to time as well. It's been great to see these trains roll out across the network, and they've been crucial in making the East Anglian Railway more pleasant and accessible. I've been Seb, and thank you for watching To The Trains.